Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to set time zone on Todoist application. So how to set time zone on mobile on Todoist application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Todoist app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Todoist app. Next, tap the settings icon at the top right. Tap General menu. And tap Time Zone. Here there are many choices of areas that you can use. So that's it, tutorial how to set time zone on Todoist application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.